Finally, I escaped from the British.
Meanwhile in jail.
I can't escape without the secret key. Am I going to be stuck here forever?
Wait. I forgot about Busu, I must help her.
A secret message from Along? It's a guide to help us find the secret key. These matrices seems complicated, I need help. Hey, who is that?
It's me. Mr. Braincell. Don't worry Busu. You have me. Let's try do the first matrix.
First, we need to find the inverse of matrix K by using the adjoint method. Then, by eliminating one row and one column, 16 sets of 3 by 3 matrices are formed, and the minor of each matrix is found to form a 4 by 4 matrix of the cofactor.
Find the minors of C41 and so on. The matrix of cofactor is shown here. After that, find the adjoint matrix of C1. Next, make an inverse matrix of K using the adjoint matrix of C1. Multiply matrix P and inverse matrix of matrix K to form matrix M. The code is wrong as we cannot justify the word.
This is not the right one.
It's okay, let's try the next matrix.
First, we argument matrix with identify matrix. Then we proceed with first row by divided by 3. Next, row 2 minus row 1 that multiply by 5. Then follow step by step until the last step before we stop, which is row 4 added with row 2.
Since element in row 3, column 3 equals to 0, interchange rows with first non-zero element in column 3. However, there are no non-zero entries that exist in column 3. Therefore, the inverse matrix does not exist.
This is not the right one either, I give up.
We have one last matrix, let's solve it together.
Using the elementary row operation method, write the augmented matrix for matrix K, then multiply the first row with 1 over 3. Next, subtract row 2 with 2 times row 1. Then you must continue all the steps until you finally get the identity matrix on the left side and the inverse of matrix K on the right side. Using the inverse of the matrix K, you must multiply it with P to get matrix M. After we multiply it, we get the values. Then arrange the values using the alphabetical order, which starts from A equals to 0, B equals to 1, and so on until we get the message Malaysia Prihatin.
Yay! We managed to solve the secret key.
You got my message? Yes. Thank you, Mr. Braincell.
Let's recall back. We cannot simplify the message as the output has fractions. There are no letters of the alphabets to represent fractions. It has to be a whole number. Hence the message is incomplete and incorrect. For the above matrix, we are unable to find the inverses its non-existence. Therefore, the matrix cannot be computed and we are unable to substitute with the given letters. The matrix M that was obtained from the third key was able to be translated into a logical message which is Malaysia Prihatin. Thus this is the correct message.
You guys did it.
Now let's celebrate.
Let's celebrate by honoring our country.